Hello, people. This is Eric Estrada here, and we're back with another episode of the Widow's Son Tattoo Reviews. Today, we're doing a quick review of the CNC hammer. All right. If you want specifics on this machine, all of its specs, you should go to my unboxing video, okay, and make sure that you watch that. Here, we're just going to do a real quick review about it. All right. So far, I've been really liking this machine. It performed very well at lining. It was very smooth and consistent with it. It gave me smooth shading, and I was able to punch in pigment very good with this bad boy for color packing, okay? The CNC hammer is sporting right off the bat dual 200 mAh batteries. These batteries are very simple. You're only getting timer, voltage, and battery life. You're getting timer, voltage, and battery life out of this. You're not getting any additional settings, so it's very easy to control, okay? That covers that. You have two of these, and they charge pretty good. They've taken me like 2 hours or so to charge, 2 to 3 hours, and I've gotten somewhere around 7 hours of work. Okay, and it's because I don't really hit the on and off button that much. If you did hit the on and off button that much, you would probably get more life out of it. Additionally, the machine doesn't come with an RCA cable. So if these two bad boys go on you, you're not gonna have a way to run off your regular power supply, all right? The only negative that I have with the machine so far is the grip. I do wish the grip was better, okay? And even though this shape is very nice for the aesthetics of the machine, this hammer shape right here makes it incredibly hard to use regular sleeves to cover the machine. So I've been going with condoms, okay? The only bad thing about the condoms is that when you tighten it up too much on the top, it might grab the edge of the screen here and cut the condom, all right? Other than that, it's not really anything crazy that you should worry about. What I would do to mitigate that is go ahead and set up your machine at the beginning. So like you'll be able to watch some other videos that I'm gonna post soon of my setup. But basically what I do is set up the cartridge and make sure that it's set to the length that I like right in the beginning. And then I'll go ahead, take off the cartridge, cover up the machine, okay? Cut the condom, put it in, and it's ready to roll, okay? So that way when you put on the condom, you don't have no adjusting to do. That's it. That'll avoid breaking it. Other than that, it works pretty good for lining, shading, and it's been a pretty solid freaking machine, okay? Solid enough that I actually went out and got myself a second one in black. So that should give you the verdict about it. I have two of these machines. If you're interested in any of these machines or anything CNC Hall Inc. related, you could go to any one of their websites and use my code, The Widow's Son, okay? All capital letters, and that should give you a good discount. It'll give us some commission for the next video. All right? Thank you, and I'll see you next.